I learned with an Italian friend how to make this very different pasta. We'll use 6 chicken thighs like this, as you can see on the video. I separated a pot and let's put it all inside of it. And this recipe is impressive. You think it's not gonna work, but it's so good. Let's cover it with beer, okay, until it's all covered, and cover it. After 15 minutes, we're going to take it out from the beer. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from, so I can send you that special hug on the next video. To make this pasta, I will take the skin off from this chicken, but if you like it, you can let it there, okay? And take the spaghettis and we are going to stick it like this. That's it, guys. Super different, okay? Just like you can see on the video. We are going to repeat this process with all of the chicken thighs and then put it to cook in just water and salt. Our pasta is already cooked, okay? And now we are going to roll it like this, guys. No mistake. Now let's use 200 grams of maize starch, 2 eggs, a good pinch of salt, black pepper, paprika, and oregano. Mix everything. And in another bowl, we are going to put breadcrumbs. So now we are going to dive the chicken with the pasta inside of the first mixture. And then, guys, let's put it in the breadcrumbs. Remember to use your favorite seasons because it's gonna make total difference. This moment is, a little difficult, but just follow this step by step, it's gonna work. And after that, just fry it in hot oil. Let it fry on one side and then turn it around. As it is already pre-cooked, it won't take long, okay? And look at it, guys. It's super crunchy, very dry, thanks to the maize starch, and is so tasty. It's a very different recipe. A lot of people liked it very much and other people didn't like it so much. So make it at your house, then come and tell me what you thought about it because it is super important. Me, personally, I thought it was very different. I really liked the idea, liked the flavor, it's very delicious and super different as well. Kids love it. So make it at your house, then come and tell me what you thought about it, okay? It was very tasty. The chicken is super juicy, very tasty, not dry, and this is what matters. Thanks for watching until here, guys.